m raised to the power 4 plus m raised to the power 2 is equal to 20. We have to find the value of m. So here we can write m to the power 4 plus m square. Send 20 to the left hand side, it will be minus 20 is equal to 0, or m to the power 4 plus m square minus 20, we can write it as minus 16 minus 4 is equal to 0. Now let's rearrange it. We can write m to the power 4 minus 16 together, then plus m square minus 4 together, or we can write m to the power 4 as m square then to the power 2 minus 16 as 4 square plus m square minus 4 is equal to 0. Now if you consider m square as a and 4 as b, then this is in the form of a square minus b square, and this is called differences of square. You can write it as a plus b times a minus b. So we can write here m square plus 4 times m square minus 4, then plus m square minus 4, and we can write it as times 1, and there is no difference, is equal to 0. Now you can see that m square minus 4 is the common factor, so we can write m square minus 4, and then the remaining factors are m square plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 0, or m square minus 4 is equal to 0, or m square plus 5 is equal to 0, because when a times b is equal to 0, then either a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. Now when m square minus 4 is equal to 0, m square is equal to 4, or m is equal to plus minus square root of 4. So one value for m is plus 2, or it can be minus 2. Now when m square plus 5 is equal to 0, m square is equal to minus 5, or m is equal to plus minus square root of minus 5, or m is equal to plus minus square root of minus 5. We can write 5 times minus 1 under square root, or m is equal to plus square root of 5, and minus 1 under square root is an imaginary unit, so we write I for it. And so third value for m is plus square root of 5i, and fourth value for m is minus square root of 5i. So these are the four values for m. Now let's verify this answer. When m is equal to plus 2, so 2 to the power 4 plus 2 square is 16 plus 4 is equal to 20. So this is correct. When m is equal to minus 2, so minus 2 to the power 4 plus minus 2 square, so it is 16. Since the exponent is an even number, so it will be positive, plus again this is 4, so 16 plus 4 is 20. So this is also correct. When m is plus square root of 5i, so square root of 5i to the power 4 plus square root of 5i square, so this is square root of 5 to the power 4 times I to the power 4 plus square root of 5 square times I square. So this is 5 square times I to the power 4 plus 5 I square. Now I is minus 1 under square root. So when we square it, the square root gets removed, but it is still negative. But when there is I to the power 4, it is minus 1 under square root to the power 4, or we can write it as minus 1 to the power 2, then whole to the power 2. This square root gets removed with this square, and this minus 1 square. So now this is positive 1. So this will be 25 plus I square will be negative 1. So this is minus 5. 25 minus 5 is 20. So LHS is equal to RHS. Now when m is minus 5 under square root times I, so it is minus 5 minus square root of 5I to the power 4 plus minus square root of 5I to the power 2. So again it is 5 square I to the power 4 minus again is positive plus 5I square minus becomes positive, minus is squared and I square is negative, so it is 25 minus 5. Therefore these are the values for m. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.